What's up everybody, it's your boy Sahil Gamer back with another video. This time we're diving into the world of making money online. And listen, I'm not talking about those shady get-rich-quick schemes, we're talking about real, legit ways to put cash in your pocket using nothing but your phone or laptop. That's right, you don't need any money to start with these methods. We're going to go over 10 different ways you can start earning from $50 to $100 a day. So if you're ready to level up your finances, hit that like button and let's get this bread. Alright, first up we've got Google Opinion Rewards. You guys know I love free money and this is about as close as it gets. Basically you download the app, answer a few super quick surveys. I'm talking like less than a minute each, and Google gives you actual cash or credits. It might not sound like much, but those rewards add up quick. I'm talking free pizza, new games, you name it. This is perfect for anyone just starting out because it requires zero experience. Trust me, if you can answer a few simple questions, you can make this work. Next up, we're talking about my new favorite thing, ChatGPT. This AI is an absolute game changer, guys. You can literally use it to offer freelance services like writing, marketing, even coding. Just create some killer prompts, let ChatGPT do its magic, and boom, you've got high-quality work ready to sell. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for finding clients. The best part? You don't need any special skills, just let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting. Now, if you're looking for some sweet passive income, then listen up. Affiliate marketing with Google Sites is where it's at. You can create a completely free website using Google Sites, write reviews about products you love and include your unique affiliate links. Then every time someone buys through your link, you get a cut of the sale. No selling required. It's like having your own online store without any of the hassle. Plus, Google Sites makes it super easy to create a professional-looking website, even if you're not a tech whiz. Chapter 4. Create once, sell forever. The power of digital products. Okay, this next one is for all my creative gamers out there. Have you ever wanted to design your own merch or digital products? Well, now you can. With Canva, you can create awesome things like digital planners, templates, even social media graphics. Then you can sell them on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy. The best part, you only have to make it once and you can sell it over and over again. It's like printing your own money, but digital. Chapter 5. Share your thoughts, get paid, blogging with AdSense. Alright, time to unleash your inner writer. Blogging is still a super legit way to make money online, and with ChatGPT, it's easier than ever. Just pick a niche you're passionate about, use ChatGPT to help you write some killer blog posts, and then monetize your site with Google AdSense. You'll earn money every time someone visits your blog or clicks on an ad. It's a win-win. Plus, with ChatGPT helping you brainstorm content ideas, you'll never run out of things to write about. Chapter 6. No camera, no problem. YouTube without showing your face. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sahil, I can't start a YouTube channel. I hate being on camera. Well, guess what? You don't need to. Faceless channels are blowing up right now. You can create videos about finance, storytelling, education, literally anything, and use AI voiceovers and stock footage to bring it to life. Monetize with ads and affiliate links, and you've got yourself a recipe for YouTube success. No camera required. It's like magic, but with more money. This next one is for all my entrepreneurs out there. It's time to enter the world of domain and website flipping. Think of it like house flipping, but in the digital world. You find undervalued domains or starter websites on platforms like Flipper or GoDaddy, buy them low, give them a little makeover, and then sell them for a profit. It's a great way to make some serious cash if you're willing to put in the work. And trust me, the feeling of selling a website for a big profit is seriously addictive. Are you a master of math? A whiz at writing? Well, you can actually get paid to share your knowledge with the world. Online tutoring is a booming industry, and platforms like Cambly make it easier than ever to connect with students from all over the globe. And guess what? You can use ChatGPT to help you structure your lessons and create engaging content for your students. It's like having a personal teaching assistant, but way cooler. If you're super organized and love ticking things off your to-do list, then becoming a virtual assistant might be your calling. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for help with tasks like email management, data entry, scheduling, and more. You can find tons of VA jobs on platforms like Freelancer and People Per Hour. Plus, with Google's suite of productivity tools, you'll be a master of efficiency in no time. Alright, last but not least, we're talking about a skill that can seriously change your life: Google Ads. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for experts who can create and manage effective ad campaigns. The best part? You can get certified for free through Google Skills Shop. Once you've mastered the art of Google Ads, you can offer your services to businesses of all sizes and command some seriously impressive rates. We're talking 500, 1,000, even more per client. Boom! Those were 10 powerful ways you can start earning online in 2025, even if you're starting with zero money or experience. Remember, the key is to pick one method that resonates with you and go all in. Be consistent, put in the work, and watch as your online income starts to grow. So tell me, which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial on any of these methods, just type "Show me how." Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.